You don't need to be a video ninja to succeed in digital marketing. 5 key steps. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to share a secret, okay? You don't need to be a video ninja to be successful in digital marketing. Hello there, Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and I hope you are having a wonderful day today. Folks, you don't need fancy edits or the perfect setup. However, what you do need is consistency, passion, and a genuine desire to help others. Today, I'll break down 5 actionable steps that will help you succeed in digital marketing, no matter what your video skills are. Let's start with step 1, consistency over perfection. It's easy to get caught up in making the perfect video or post, but the truth is, consistency is what matters the most. Whether you're posting once a week or twice a month, showing up regularly builds trust with your audience. Set a schedule you can stick to and focus on delivering real value, even if your videos aren't Hollywood level production. Your audience will appreciate your authenticity more than any polished edit. So, if you're passionate about what you're sharing, the rest will follow naturally. Step 2, be authentic and relatable. People don't connect with brands, they connect with people, and guess what? They don't expect perfection. They want to see someone they can relate to. Share your journey, the ups and downs. Let your audience see the real you, your struggles, your wins, and your lessons learned. See, when you're open and honest, people feel like they're not alone in their struggles, and that sense of belonging is powerful. Your transparency creates trust, and that's a key element in building lasting relationships with your audience. Next is step 3. Always provide value. The heart of your business should be helping others, whether you're sharing how-to guides, insightful tips, or offering advice. Focus on solving your audience's problems. When you provide genuine value, people take notice. Remember, value doesn't always mean a complicated solution. Sometimes the simplest advice or the most practical tip is what makes the biggest difference in someone's day. The more you help, the more your audience will stick around and support your journey. Step 4, connect with your audience personally. One of the best things about digital marketing is the ability to interact directly with the people who follow you. Don't underestimate the power of a personal connection. Reply to comments, engage in conversation, and ask your audience questions. See, people want to feel seen and heard. By engaging with them, you show that you care, and that creates loyalty. Remember, people aren't just numbers. They're individuals who appreciate being a part of a community. When you foster that, you'll see your influence and trust grow. Finally, step 5, don't stress about being perfect. Focus on growth. Not every video or post needs to be a masterpiece. The key is to keep learning, improving, and growing with your audience. Watch your analytics, see what's working, and tweak your content as needed. See, the beauty of digital marketing is that it's flexible. You don't need to be an expert overnight. Focus on steady progress, on improving bit by bit, and on continuing to provide value to your audience. Over time, you'll see the growth that matters most. If you are open to learning more on digital marketing, go to freedomlifebusiness.com for my free digital and money-making tips and resources. So remember, you don't have to be a super ninja at making videos to succeed in digital marketing. What you do need is consistency, passion, and a genuine desire to help others. Be authentic, provide real value, and connect with your audience, and you will see that success follows naturally. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with others who need to hear it. Until next time, keep showing up and being your true self. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.